Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a new releases video, and I do not often have new releases video in my channel because of all the new changes that we will be having in our kits for the rest of the year. Starting today or starting this release, I felt that it is a very good idea to go ahead and make a video about it so you all know what the difference will be. So if you'd like to know what new kits we will be releasing for this week, then stay until the end of the video. Alright guys, so as you can see here, these are the new kits, but before I go through this stash of kits, I just wanted it to be very clear that those are for this planner, and this is the Hobonichi Weeks, and what I have is a Strawberry Latte Mega. So all of the kits would fit here, but of course if you'd like to use it elsewhere, like in a Hobonichi or like the Happy Planner ones, I'm not sure if it's really Happy Planner because I don't have one, and it's the same size as this, or any inserts that you have, then that is okay as well. Now, previously, for the last year, or give or take, I don't know, this is the kit that we have for the Hobonichi Weeks, and this is 2 pages, so you have your smaller one and your bigger one. So this is page 1, and you have your date covers, your side strip or decorative strip, and then you have your checklist, and then dots, 3 headers, and then a bunch of decos here that are bigger. And then you have your second page, which has all your script stickers, your functional teardrop stickers, a right bottom bar and a left bottom bar up top. So if you want to know how this is used, you can go ahead and scroll through my Hobonichi Weeks playlist, and they will all be there. So this is what we had before, and then I also released another type of sticker kit. Well, it's a sheet now because it's only one sheet, and this is the essentials. So you have your date covers, your side strip, and then your checklist, just like this one. So all 3 of these is the same, because I feel like that is what my kits are known for, that there's these 3 elements over here. And oh, by the way, this is 2 stickers, so you can see there, and this one is called Essentials because it's only 1 page, only a few stickers, and then you have the bottom bars here, and then you have your header stickers. These ones, well, the old ones, the ones that are already up in the shop, will be up in the shop forever. No, I mean until they run out, but this type of kit will no longer be used, or this format will no longer be used, because we will now be using the newer format of our kits. Because I have asked around for years what type of things you guys would like to see in a sticker kit. This is what I came up with this time. I mean, I try to incorporate as much as I can based on the feedback that you have given me. So let's check out the first page. So they come in, or these come in 2 pages as well. So this is a kit, and you get a lot of stuff here. So you have still the top 3, or the most common elements of all my Hobonichi Weeks kits, which is your date cover, your decorative strip, and your checklist. Now the script has changed. I changed the fonts so that they can be clearly seen, because before, if I just grab that, so this is the older format, the script is a little bit tiny, and if you have an overwhelming type of pattern like the one I used, it's difficult to see. I can understand that, and I wanted to make it bigger, but at the same time I didn't want it to be 2 things. First, I didn't want it to be too bold or too square, too Times New Roman boxed like fonts. And second is, I don't want it to be like a scribble type of font. I mean, I wanted to still be on the calligraphy side of things, but I didn't want it to be too bold as well. Basically, I'm looking for a font that is more feminine, but at the same time, it should have a thicker stroke, and this was the one that I picked out of everything that I've tried. This is the winner. So I hope you guys like that. Alright, so those are the top 3. These are 2 stickers, and then instead of having the dots here and the headers here, I took that all out and just put down decos. Ta-da! So if you'd like to decorate your planner according to the theme, so the theme of this one, this is called Arabian Days, and the theme of this one is like Arabian Boudoir, so these are all Aladdin themed, and I'll talk more about that in a little bit. Dots are still here, but they're interspersed around the decos. They are individually cut. One of the bigger changes here for the top 3 is that now, instead of one big sticker, it's now 2 stickers. So that if you don't want to put a checklist on here, or if you want to put the checklist here but you have the sidebar over here, then you don't need to use all of this. So the bottom 2 can be removed. And then for the second page, this is what we have. So you still have your bottom bars, your left one, your right one. I'm probably always going to have a bottom bar that's this big. It is double of this. And then you have a few headers here, 2 of them, and then your script sticker. So I did take one script sticker out. I removed track. You have goals to do today, notes, and weekend. So that is the format. Now this release, the theme, as you can probably tell, is Aladdin themed. And this is I think this is Arabian Summer Collection, and this is called Arabian Days. And you have a room here with the tiger sitting on the lounging around because you're Princess Jasmine and you have a pet tiger. How I wish I had a pet tiger, but I know that is illegal and not really something that I encourage. And then you have your hairbrush. This is actually the hair elixir. So this one, how cute. And then you also have some jewelry on top of your dresser. I wanted to put some more down here, but I think it was looking a little cluttered, and I didn't put down these 2 because these would have been too tiny for such a small scene. And of course, if you have a keen eye, you would see carpet here at the corner. So that is Arabian Days. Moving on to the next one, which is Magic Lamp. So the theme here is, of course, just the lamp. Full love for lamp. Lamp has its own little scene here. So bottom bars, headers, scripts, and there is lamp in the middle. You also get lamp as a deco. So Magic Lamp has carpet, the Magic Lamp, another Magic Lamp that's smaller, and then you have a little lantern there. So everything I'm going to show you is Aladdin themed or Arabian Summer Collection. I will only be releasing one collection this time. I'm not sure if this is going to be a forever type of thing, but for now it's gonna be this collection and that's it. So here is this scene. So Flamingo Mirage is all about flamingos because look at how cute they are. So you have a bunch of flamingos over there and then a lone flamingo over here surrounded by beautiful flowers, desert flowers. And then this is the first page. And then the theme is very pink and purple, very, very girly, but at the same time, oh my gosh, it is like desert fabulousness. That's not a word, I'm pretty sure. And then the next one, the 4th one, is Desert Magic. So this is camel and desert palace theme. So this is the scene that you have. You have the sky behind the palace, the beautiful palace. And then this is our camel right here. He's just passing through. Thank you very much. And then this is the first page. So you still have the camel and then the little palace, a smaller palace that you can put anywhere that you would like. This will fit here, just a little bit taller. Generally will fit there, and then this is how big it is, how big the camel is. So that's the size of the stickers. And then you also get the most beautiful jewels that you can put all over your spread. And this is Desert Magic. So that is the 4th collection. And then the last one has several options. I printed 2. There are 2 more. And this is called Arabian Princess. And this is themed around Jasmine walking around her palace. So this is the entrance to her room. So she has a little, maybe her own private throne room, maybe. She is flanked on this side and this side by lamps, beautiful ornate lamps. Look at how pretty Jasmine is with the flowers on her hair. And this one is option A. So Arabian Princess also comes with this. I'm sorry I keep doing that. So this is just a bunch of deco. So these are the beautiful lamps, and then you have the earrings here. I love it so much. You have a ton more of the dots on here. This was the first one to have been designed. So this is when I was like making still large decos, but later I like used smaller decos as well. So this is Arabian Princess A, and this is Arabian Princess B. We have a blonde one and a brunette one as well, option C and D. So on the website, you can choose which option you would like. You can also choose which sticker paper you would like. This one is printed, the ones I'm showing you is currently printed in matte sticker paper. We also have an option of glossy cream sticker paper. The one that is glossy is great for fountain pens. They're really made for, well, actually we sourced the paper, the most perfect paper for any fountain pen. So it won't feather and it's smooth AF. Like, it is the smoothest thing ever. And I love it so much. Now the matte paper is bleached white. So you can see. And this one is good for felt tip pens, ballpoint pens. And is there another type of pen that I can't like remember? Gel pens, yes. Microns, Pigma Microns would do great with this paper. Right, so that is it for us today. I hope you like the things that I showed you, and let me know in the comments below if you like the changes that we have made to our kits. And if you like this video, you can always give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like some more planning videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Also, follow us on all our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook page is paperjoyph, and our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!